It's Friday, the 7th of August 2020. I'm Dan from themeparkknott.com, and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. An accidental leak from a web designer has given us more details on Universal Studios Japan's Super Nintendo World. It included photos of the ride vehicle for the Mario Kart ride and showed us the involvement of the character Toad, who is both the owner of the restaurant and also will be the leader as Captain Toad of the Yoshi ride vehicles, which is pretty cool. Splash Mountain in Magic Kingdom suffered a log sinking this week, which was shared on Twitter by the guests who suffered it. The Walt Disney Company today reported that they have taken an approximately $3.5 billion hit to their operating income from the theme park segment from COVID-19 in the last 3 months. Cedar Fair posted their financials for the last quarter last week, and their revenues down 98%. They announced that Carowinds, King's Dominion, California's Great Adventure and Valleyfair will not reopen this year. Knott's Berry Farm has cancelled its Not Scary Farm Halloween event. At Walt Disney World, Disney has replaced the Beauty and the Beast live on stage production with... That's it for this week's Theme Park News. In a minute, we'll be back next Friday with some more news, so tune in for that. In the meantime, you can check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut, Insta, or our blog is themeparkknott.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.